Hello and welcome to Tipsy Day. Today we'll be making raspberry spiked tea. Now to make this drink we'll be using ABSOLUT Raspberri Vodka, some homemade black tea and raspberry syrup. So let's start with this drink. First we'll start with taking a tall glass and filling it up with cracked ice. After that, we are going to take ABSOLUT Raspberry and pour 45 ml of it into the glass. After that, we are going to squeeze half a lemon into the drink. And then we'll add 30 ml of the raspberry syrup. And then we are going to top it up with some homemade black tea. And then we are going to garnish it with some lemon peel. And there you have it, the raspberry spiked tea. And don't forget to subscribe.